Okay then YouTubers, it's Friday the 21st of June, so getting close to the end of term. All the physics exams are done, which is really exciting. So I'm doing a few things. So I've got a little candle, we'll move that out of the way actually, and I've got a Van de Graaff dome, big one, and I've got a dome here that's just suspended on a bit of cotton. So what am I going to show you? Well look, I can make it swing, that's no problem, so it can exhibit SHM. So this is what I've been doing with my year 12s at the moment who are moving to year 13. But if I steady that, so it's completely steady, you can see my reflection here. So I'm doing nothing, but I'm going to turn on the power supply for the Van de Graaff. Let's go and switch on. I'm not touching anything at all. Got a bit of motion, bit of movement there. Ooh, got some static build up. What's happening to that ball? You can still see I've not moved, I've not touched anything. Have we got some motion? Spinning around a little bit, isn't it? Okay, so watch me, I'm going to move my hand forwards. Just going to move it a touch closer. Just a touch closer. Oh. Now I'm starting to see it swing. Now that looks a lot like SHM to me, and it's getting bigger. Definitely a swing. Oh, sparking. Even bigger. Now what's happening there, you can see it discharging, can't you? I'm going to move it away a bit now, because otherwise it's going to hit it. So actually we're getting a really good swing there. I reckon that's SHM. So how exciting. So having a very simple static discharge by induction produces another example of SHM. And if we move the little ball out of the way, so done with that one, I'm going to move my candle flame a little bit closer now. Ooh, here we go. So, candle flame. Whoa, got a bit of a wobble there. So there's my candle flame. Okay, let's turn off the, there's the Van de Graaff turned off. So that is a normal flame for the candle, yeah? Focused in a little bit. Look at how sharp it is. So it's a very tall flame, isn't it? Watch what happens when the Van de Graaff gets turned on. Short, fat flame. So the Van de Graaff is creating an electric field, and within an electric field, the candle, those ions, the positive ions, the really fat part that you can see there, will be either attracted or repelled. You're going to change in shape. Now, what's kind of weird is if I move it away, go away a little bit, I'll unsteady it down. It's quite fat there, isn't it? Let's go in a touch. It's going flatter, a little bit flatter. If I go really close though, not so important the shape, is it? But actually further out, it tends to flatten off. So it's starting to flatten off, flatten off. So think about what a candle flame is. It's electrons flowing around, and you've got positive ions. So that's what the shape is changing. If we turn off the Van de Graaff, look at the normal shape of the candle. So two cool things to look at with static. One is SHM, one is just a candle flame and the ions separating. If you like the video, please subscribe and come back.